My name is Mohammad Taha Khan, and I have make this project Pond Ecosystem. With me, my group members are Salman, Hasnain, Huzaifa, Hassan, Suhaib, Abdullah, Shahir, and Abu Talib. This is an ecosystem which is representing an aquatic environment consisting of biotic components, living organisms, and abiotic components, non-living organisms. The basic factor to learn this pond ecosystem, or to know about this pond ecosystem, is to know about the growth and the reproduction of the animals living inside the pond. The simplest food chain to understand this is water grass. Water grass are the producers of the food chain. Primary consumers are the small fishes, secondary consumers are these large fishes, and the tertiary consumer, the top predator, is the bird. Sometime when the bird are died, so it can be decomposed by the bacteria, or sometime they are hunted by the human. So the final and the last point is that every animal present here is been growing and been reproducing by the simplest food chain. Thank you.